Hi everybody, welcome to Sukh Vibes. In this video, I'm going to show you how to approach the junctions correctly. But how? By showing you practically driving. So without wasting time, let's begin the video. Here we are seeing that we are approaching a junction. Do we really need to consider something? Consider? But what? Hmm? Traffic lights. Of course, if you have watched my previous video, you are already aware about this thing. If the traffic lights are green for a long time, be ready. Once you are there, they are going to be red. So adjust your speed accordingly in order to avoid sudden jerks and maintain a sufficient distance from the vehicle which is in front of you. Intersection. In the intersection, two important points to be considered. First is your position. Second is your lane. If you want to go to straight ahead or towards right, position accordingly. And if you want to move towards left, position accordingly. One important thing, if you're moving straight, be in the center. If towards left, be towards left. And if towards right, then be towards right. Never forget to give an indicator and blinker because if you're in a lane which is moving straight and right, you have to communicate to others who are behind you. So indicators are also very, very important. Yeah, traffic lights has turned green for us. Do we need to consider something? Of course. Why? Because there is no arrow and you are not only the king. For the pedestrian also, the light is green. So what you have to consider? Again, the abbreviation. If you have watched my previous video, cops, cyclists. There could be cyclists who are also coming along with you. There could be pedestrians who want to cross the pedestrian road. Oncoming traffic? No. In this case, there's no oncoming traffic. Why? Because we are turning towards our own side. Good. Okay, before turning, you have to do this 4S check. Again, if you have watched my previous video, you are good to go. But for those who are new, you have to do Spiegel, Spiegel, Signal, Schulterblick. Spiegel, your central mirror, Spiegel, your side mirror, signal, you have to indicate to others, shoulder break, look for the blind corners to see if there's somebody. Now we are ready to turn. Thanks for watching. If you have liked my video, please like, comment, share and subscribe. If you're interested in any particular topic, please feel free to write in comment section. Take care. See you next time.